Alright, we got a 330 Peterbilt plow truck. We got to change a hydraulic hose on it that blew this last storm. So we're going to pull it in and rip it apart, fix it. Alright, so this is your spinner and auger control for your salt. So we got a blown hose. We got to get this up and out of the box. Got a blown hose right here on the frame rail. This nasty looking thing. It's 3/8 or no, that's a 1/2 inch hose. So you got to get it out of the cab and then follow it down to wherever it ends up down there and get the new one in. It's a nasty, kind of a nasty job here. So this one in the center, right here, that's the one that's blown, and I had to loosen them all up to get to them. This is in the control box, so you got to loosen to get to that one. So I took them off, and then you got to just pull on the one until you figure out which one's which. So I'm trying to get that out of there right now. Up in there, down, there we go. So this looks like half inch JIC, and it's about 8-9 feet long. Let's see if we got the goods here to make this up and put it together. Alright, so 1/2 inch hose. We got 1/2 inch fittings with 5/8 threaded ends on them, female. So I'm gonna go get the 1/2 inch collet, the yellow ring, go over here, and it's yellow flat side down for 1/2 inch hose. These will go down in there. Like so. Push your fitting the whole way onto the hose. You got a there's a little mark right there that helps you line up where you're supposed to crimp it. And let's see, I'm forgetting something. Need the ring on there. Back this down. This one here. Out of order here. Like that. Get that so it's lined up. And I need 2 hands to do this. That's one done. Get the other side done and put this back on. Alright, got the new hose on. All the way up. And then it comes up to this cross member here, to this control valve right here. There she is right there. So got it on there. Wouldn't lie to you, it was a pain in the ass, but somebody had to do it. So we're gonna put some oil in this thing now. To do that, you got to grab the reservoir. And I don't think this thing has a sight glass on it. No? Oh, it does. Yeah, try reading that. It might be possible. But we got to fill it up, and then we'll back her out and see how she works. We're filling it up. This is the way to fill it. If you don't have a pump like this, you're gonna have to get a long funnel or something to get out from under the bed here, or a hand pump, and pump it up. So we're gonna wait till we see it in the sight glass and see if the spinner and the spreader work here, the auger and the spinner work. Alright, spinner is spinning, and the auger was working just fine. I don't think I have any leaks here.